When we go for choosing a right candidate for our industry, we observe that there is huge difference between just a fresh degree holder and the candidate who had already exposure to the industry. The candidates who had exposure to the industry are doing much better than just a theoretical degree holder. I am Mahesh Mahajan, sole owner of Top Tech Electricals. We have 300 plus employees with us and we make wiring harness for automotive industry. Our end customers are Tata Motors, Mahindra, Bajaj, Yamaha, Hero and Honda. We have signed MOU with PCET for industrial visits, on-job training, guest lectures and placements. I have a young engineer here. This gentleman is also ex-student from PCET and now working with me as development engineer. PCET has come up with a great innovative idea of Pune Business School. Here, the PGDM courses are offered to the students. The days have changed and the current need of industry is to have the manpower with proper managerial skills and entrepreneurship abilities. And I'm sure that this PCET's innovative concept will definitely give a very bright future to the students. So all the best and thank you.